We have another example on the board. Let's take a look how we can solve this system of two linear equations using the method of substitution. Please notice that the first equation is already solved for x. So I'm supposed to rewrite the second equation and instead of x, I'm supposed to write negative 2y. So I have 8 times negative 2y, because x is equal negative 2y, plus 5y equals 33. Please notice that we eliminate x. Okay, so we have just one unknown, which is y. We have to solve this equation for y. So what we're supposed to do, we're supposed to perform the multiplication first. So I have 8 times negative 2 is negative 16y plus 5y equals 33. Negative 16 plus 5 is equal negative 11. Y equals 33. In order to find value of y, I have to divide both sides of the equation by negative 11. Negative 11 and negative 11 will cancel out, and I'm going to have y equals invisible positive divided by negative will give me negative 33 divided by 11 is equal 3. So this is the value of my y. Next, we're supposed to find the value of x. Please notice that the first equation is already solved for x. That's why I'm going to copy down this equation, x equals negative 2y, and instead of y, I'm going to write negative 3, because y is equal negative 3. So I'm going to substitute this y by negative 3. Negative 2 times negative 3. X is equal negative times negative gives me positive. 2 times 3 gives me 6. So I found the values of my unknowns x and y. In order to verify that my answers are correct, we're supposed to plug in these two values into both equations and check if the left side is going to have the same value like the right side. So I have first equation, I have x equals minus 2y. We found that x is equal 6. So I have 6 equals minus 2 times y. Y is equal negative 3. That's why I'm going to have negative 3 over here. 6 is equal negative times negative gives me positive. 2 times 3 gives me 6. Please notice that the left side of my equation is equal to the right side. Next, we're supposed to verify the second equation. We have 8x plus 5y equals 33. 8 times 6, because we found that x is equal 6, plus 5 times y, which is equal negative 3, equals 33. 8 times 6 is equal 48. Positive times negative gives me negative. 5 times 3 is equal 15, equals 33. 48 minus 15 is equal 33, equals 33. Again, left side is equal to the right side. So we can say that these two values, value of x equals 6 and y equals negative 3, these are the correct answers. So I can write the final solution and say that the ordered pair x equals 6 and y equals -3 is the solution to this linear equation.